Hello YouTube, long time no see. Just gonna do a little shoe unboxing for you. I got 2 new pairs of shoes today, and a pair that are about 2 weeks old that still look pretty good. Alright, first I've got my Converse Bowline. They're gray, size 13. Pretty comfortable, a little bit on me. My feet are still growing, so. Pretty nice, pretty comfortable. Not too heavy either. So all start right there. That's the Converse Bowline. Those over there. Then I've got my Jordan Chris Paul 2 Quick, size 13. These are about 2 weeks old. Still look pretty good. Really good grip, everything. And I went from having a pair of Fallens to these for I went from state shoes to these for basketball. Oh my gosh, was my performance improved? It was amazing. There's those. And then I've got the got a later snapback right there. So, alright, here's my shoe unboxing. Hope you liked it. More to come. My birthday comes up in about 2 months. I'm asking for a pair of Kobe's. So, hopefully, get a pair of Kobe's at the Zooms. Alright, thanks for watching.